3 years already. Honestly, it hasn't been perfect, but it's been real. So this time we just wanted to do something different, to slow down a bit, to breathe, to reconnect. We found ourselves in the middle of nature, to the energy, the movement, the culture. And it reminded us of something simple. Where we come from matters, not just to celebrate, but to feel it. This wasn't just an anniversary trip, it was a moment to reset and appreciate how far we've come. 3 years in, and we're still going.
I hope you guys are doing great and welcome to Boukman.discovery. So I'm celebrating a very special occasion. So I'm happy to introduce you to my wife, Marie Magdala Saint-Cyr. So we are in Haiti and Lekai region, and we are headed to Campiran today. And we are headed to Campiran to a very, very beautiful, very special spot called Boyo Lodge in Campiran, Haiti. So we are going there to celebrate our 3rd year wedding anniversary. So we are happy to bring you guys with us. You know, we are sharing this experience with you guys, and we hope you like it. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And yes, let's get into it. Very nice road, so we bought everything. Hopefully we're gonna spend the night there. So when we look at the temperature, we saw that it's raining a lot, and yeah. Chérie, fait 3e année.
Ouais, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, so thank God. I love you so much. I'm happy to share the rest of my life with you. And yeah. So we're on the road headed to Campiran, and just wanted to show you guys the beauty while we're on the road. So look guys. Wow. Very beautiful. Haiti is beautiful. Very green, you know. Very, very green. Wow. So we're happy to show you the beauty of Haiti.
On the way, we made a quick stop. Grab some fresh mangoes because where we're from, you don't show up empty-handed. Nou pa mache ak men nou vide.
So we are close to Boyo Lodge. We're still on the road. So we decided to do a quick stop just to show you the beauty. Nous arrivés, we made it to Boyo Lodge in Campiran, Haiti. And yeah, it's gonna be nice, guys. We're happy to be here. Yeah. Do you realize how beautiful this place is? So if ever you are in the southern region, so I recommend you to visit this place, Boyo Lodge. I like the name, it's very original, it's very Haitian. Boyo Lodge. Boyo. So this is like a little decoration they have here. Yeah, it's nice. Now we're gonna enter and see what they have for us. You made it.
Haiti, it's easy for people to talk about the problems, but that's not the full story. There's beauty here, there's life, and most of all, there are people who care. People with ideas, with vision, people who are trying every day to make things better. Our time at the Boyo Lodge wasn't just about eating and resting. We took the time to learn simple things, but powerful. How to reuse glass bottles for building, for gardening, for taking care of the land. And honestly, what stayed with me the most was the people, the conversation, sharing ideas, talking about Haiti, about life, about relationship, different path but the same energy, wanting something better for this country. And moments like this remind you, Haiti is not just a place, it's a people, it's a mindset, it's hope.
Ça c'est Mr. Boyo.
Dans Boyo Lodge, les clients viennent, ils font séjour. Nous pas faire une façon comme si pour clients dans la chambre de dormir seulement. C'est encore plus que ça nous voulons. Ça nous voulons c'est clients qui participent dans ça qu'a fait dans la cour. Parce que je dis là on a fait une formation et un atelier sur question de recyclage bouteilles. Nous avons un paquet de bouteilles dans la cour qui nuisent et puis moi j'ai uns amis mes clients qui sorti Port-au-Prince qui décident de dire on font un recyclage classique. Nous allons faire un paquet de bagages à bouteilles et nous suivre et puis ils participent avec nous. Là, venir dans Boyo, on va venir dans la chambre dormir, pas ça venir faire. Venir sortir, venir garder dans la nature et qu'on y a pas travailler sur bagage sur ferme là. Dans ferme là, on va décider tout planter. Donc pour participer avec nous pour faire notre bagage.
Son expérience.
On allez.
Faut avancer le plus près. Get closer. Wap tremble, mi let la tremble.
Oui. Ok.
OK, Jazz.
Bon.
Oui. Boyo. On va ben. Mayo belui. Mayo Boyo. So she was on a horse. But I think I'm too heavy for that little horse, so I don't wanna get him injured.
Capable.
Bah, c'est un petit cheval comme ça. Un petit cheval comme ça.